something that I love to do and make a living at it. And I don't know how long you get to do it. That's not really up to me anymore. But I'm immensely thankful and humbled for the last decade. And it's a direct result of you guys voting and buying the records and listening and requesting and buying tickets to the show and coming out tonight. Holy shit. Tucson, Arizona, thank you guys so much for coming out. Tucson, how are we doing tonight? Alright, you know what? Let's do this. This feels like a good night, Tucson. Let's do this. Thank you, 5 of you. Let's come up with a nickname together. For ballsy over here. I hit him in the face. Sorry, dude. Do you want one more?
I want one. Yeah.
All right. It's for this fella.
I know, he's my husband.
Oh, he's your husband. Okay. So then it's really for her. Let's be honest. We know this is. Yeah. Oh, really? Really? Yeah? Thunder from down under. Come on now. We're a long way from Vegas, and none of us are wearing underwear with knee pads, so. I assume that's how they dance there. Let's do some slow dancing to this next song. I know we have a couple right here. Maybe just a little. Whoop. I hit him in the face. Thank you. We have a merch table back there. Roddy's super nice, very cordial. I don't know. I think he said if you spend like $200 at the merch table, he'll make out with you or something. I don't know. Maybe, is that what you said? He's not saying no. Okay, cool. Listen to everybody in this room. Thank you guys very much. It is. I've said this a few times. I'm maybe one of the worst pessimists in the world. I always expect the worst case scenario, and you guys came out tonight. You gave us your energy. You guys were an awesome audience. So man, thank you guys so much for coming out. We have a single. We're gonna play it now. Stream it, buy it, request it, repeat. Give me heartbreak.